gathering our stuff and waiting for our Uber. Happy Vlogmas Day 19. Today is Sunday, December 19th, and it is 3:30 a.m. We have landed in Manchester. Still have not seen our luggage come off the rack, but I'm sure it will at some point, probably after we're off. So let's go to the carousel and wait for it. After a long travel day, we've made it, and as you can see, KJ's actually getting gas right now. And then we are off to run some errands. We need to get a bed that we're sleeping on. We need to get some groceries, dinner, the whole shebang. So come to the grocery store with us. But New Hampshire is a bit cold, but it brings me back to my New York roots where I would wear a sweatshirt in 32-degree weather, and it feels good. I am wearing boots and jeans for the record, but I didn't want to wear my parka. It feels good. It feels good to be back in the Northeast. The beach, the ocean. Yeah. Everybody's wearing. It's probably so much colder out here with the wind. You're telling me no one wants to go to the beach in New Hampshire in December? It's very beautiful though. Driving up the shores of New Hampshire, we are headed to run more of our errands now, but enjoying the sights along the way. First stop, McKinnon's, on the hunt for some meatloaf. Stop is Hannaford's for some more groceries. At all the stores, I only seem to ever film the baked goods because that's what I'm always most interested in. Looks like he's gonna pick out some Danishes. And then look at all these muffins. They have gingerbread muffins, butter rum muffins, cinnamon chip, of course corn, lemon poppy seed, apple spice. Ah, so many choices. They've also got a lot of cute Christmas arrangements. After a very, very long travel day and perhaps 12 hours of sleep, and of course exploring the shores of New Hampshire and running all those errands, I'm here in the following day to say thank you for watching. But overall, the day was good in the long run. The flight, an early flight at 7 a.m. You figure it's gonna be fine. Full flight, oh well, whatever. Got your masks, you're good. Hand sanitizer, we're good. The turbulence was beyond unexpected and lasted the longest I've ever been on a plane. Probably the first hour was mostly turbulence and it was not fun. I couldn't sleep and I'd been up since 3. So really not a good travel day, but once we got here, everything was smooth sailing. Got to see snow finally. Love that. Saw a lot of it from the sky too. Hopefully I captured some of that on camera. But yeah, I wish we even got to see the sunrise from the sky, but by the time we actually took off, it had already risen and it was still pretty up there, so that's the good news. But overall, a good day. Got to check out some local grocery stores that I'd never been to. And I have been to New Hampshire before, but not this specific area. So that's kind of fun. Something a little bit different. Of course, the driving up the coast was really, really pretty, even though it was freezing. And seeing people outside running during the winter time couldn't be me. But all these people bundled up, and of course, me with my bundled up stuff too. It's just a really good time with it being actually winter during December this year. Since I didn't get to go home last year, as many of you probably didn't either, travel last year, but finally going to be in the cold for the December season, and I'm looking forward to enjoying it. I mean, I like wearing pants, I like wearing long sleeves like this one, so really a good time overall. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog despite it being a little bit short. There should be some fun New Hampshire and things that we're doing, despite me not knowing all the plans. But if you did enjoy, be sure to give it a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot and it is free. And make sure you subscribe so you can see tomorrow's vlog with what we do next in New Hampshire, which is actually today's vlog. And I might say we're gonna go do something fun, so definitely stay tuned for that. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.